guys, welcome back to Sissy Spaces. In today's video, we're cleaning, decluttering, and organizing our shed and garage. Unfortunately, I was unable to give you guys a before photo of just how cluttered this shed was. My husband wanted to get a head start on it while I was still asleep. You see, Max has been sick over the past few days. Max is my fur baby, by the way, and I've been up most nights with him because he hasn't been sleeping well. By the time I awoke, hubby and our youngest son, who's a junior in college, had already cleared out about 75% of the items from the shed. The plan is to inventory everything to see if it needs to be kept, trashed, or donated. We also want to remove these two cabinets and place them in the shed for additional storage. And in place of these cabinets, we've hired a contractor to custom build shelves to hold over 15 storage containers. And you'll see those storage containers throughout the video. By the way, the smaller cabinet, the black and silver one, we purchased from Lowe's, and the largest silver cabinet we purchased from Sam's. And I'll have them linked in my description box if you're interested. I purchased those black lava rocks my son is picking up to use in the fire pit, but I decided to go with the red lava rocks, but I am holding on to these to use in another project. After emptying these cabinets, we began to take them to the shed, but they were much heavier than I thought they would be, so my husband had to come to the rescue. As you can see, this shed was pretty cluttered, and at this point we still had items in there that needed to be removed. After removing these two items, we noticed we had an infestation of ants, so we decided to take a break from the shed. While my husband took care of the ant situation, I decided to go ahead and clean and replace these light covers. After inventorying all the items, we placed the ones we wanted to keep back in the shed. I thought I found a shopping bag that I could use at Sam's, but it turned out to be a cover from my husband's blower. These are the items we plan to donate, so we began loading them up in the back of the truck. And as you can see, we trashed a lot of items as well. This is the end product of cleaning and decluttering the shed. It's not Pinterest ready, but at least you can walk in it. While my husband donated items, my son and I began cleaning out the garage. And if you watch my kitchen clean and organize video, you notice I always break down large projects into zones, and that's exactly what we did for the garage. If you didn't watch my kitchen clean and organize video, go back and check it out. After clearing out the area, we dusted the blinds and the walls, and they were absolutely filthy. Before cleaning up these rat droppings, I wanted to wear another set of gloves, and I also should have worn a mask. We're now in the second part, or zone 2 of the garage. We're going to do the same thing we did in zone 1. We're going to clear out the area, sweep, and get rid of the cobwebs. By dividing the garage into zones as I did my kitchen, the project was not as overwhelming and the process moved pretty quickly. This is where the water heater sits. We plan to scrape it down and paint it later. I purchased these storage containers from Lowe's for $11.98. They're linked in my description box if you're interested. My husband is an avid bowler and he keeps his bowling balls in the garage, so we're storing them here until the custom shelving is built. Here I'm making labels for the storage containers so we can easily identify the items that are within them. We decided to place the items that we use occasionally in the clear bins, and the items we use less often will be placed in the black bins. The last task on our list is cleaning and organizing these wall shelves. After some last minute touches, here are the before and after shots. it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.